Go! Whoa, what's that, Parker? The best thing my parents' money could buy!
Groovy, what's it called?
It's called!
Groovy, what's it called?
It's called Turbo Speedster Nitro Lightning 3000! Yeah! Let's play!
That's right, it's the Turbo Speedster Nitro Lightning 3000 with new revolutionary RC car technology that'll revolutionize your fun. It's just like every other piece of crap RC car you've ever had, but it has a different name.
The best thing since canned cheese! After the sad death of my dog, I filled the void with the Turbo Nitro Lightning 3000!
Order now and get one free. Did you order yet? Well, if you didn't, too bad. You lost out on the sale.
I like pickles.
Buy one now. Buy one for your dog. Buy one for your dyslexic grandmother. You'll be socially awkward and unacceptable for the rest of your life.
I traded my sister for the Turbo Speedster Nitro Lightning 3000.
Come on, get one. All the cool kids are doing it.
Turbo Speedster Nitro Lightning 3000 can be yours today, just with 10 easy payments of $9.99. And remember, if you keep bugging your parents, eventually they'll give in.
So did you like my hot ride?
Yeah, now let's see what this baby can really do.
Okay! Watch this!
Well, I washed and it sucked. Wait, let me see this.
Give it back, Jacob!
How do you wait? This isn't even a real remote. It's just thumbtacks. Look, that's not a Nintendo. That's just a pencil and a cardboard with marker on it.
Well, the old one broke, so I made a new one, and it works just the same.
Check this out.
You're gonna pay me back every last cent!
Okay. I'll pay back every last cent. How much did it cost?
$1,000!
Get your limerade. Get your limerade here. Limerade, we got the limerade. Here's limerade. Get your limerade here. Raid over here. Get your limerade.
Oh, what might you be selling here, young man?
Well, I'm selling limerade.
So how much is it, Sonny?
$1,000.
So how about a free sample first?
Why, sure you can, old man. There you go.
Well, that's a very peculiar taste. What's in it, Scout?
I got limes, water, sugar, and rat poison. Was it the rat poison? I'm sorry, I just used to give it a little extra kick. I thought it only worked on rats.
No, it's not that. I'm allergic to sugar.